Hello guys, so show ko sa inyo tong Agoho model. So itong si Agoho, single attached siya na 3 bedrooms. Siyempre meron siyang carport provision. Lot area niya is 65 square meters and floor area of 62 square meters. Pasok tayo, check natin yung house. So by the way, this is complete finished. Livable na siya with tiles and bedroom partitions. So tanggalin mo lang itong mga gamit and any other accessories. Yan na yung actual deliverable unit niya. So dito sa baba, papasok tayo with the living area and the dining area. And then here's your kitchen sink. And meron tayong sliding door going outside. Yung ibang homeowners, ginagawa nila, ini-extend nila itong labas for their outdoor kitchen. So, let's say, here's your carport, and then this part right here, pwede nyo pang ipa-enclosed for your laundry area, service area, and extended kitchen. Ganito na rin mismo yung hagdan. So, akyat tayo. 3 bedrooms and a common toilet. So, ito yung second na toilet. The first bedroom. Second bedroom. And your master bedroom. So, may window sa corner. I like that. And then, ang master bedroom may balcony. So, ang price nito is 3 million. Available sa Pag-ibig and Bank Financing. So, pag nag-Pag-ibig financing tayo, 10,000 pesos ang reservation fee. And then, yung down payment is payable siya ng 18 months. Nasa 55,000 monthly. After 18 months, once fully constructed na yung unit, dun naman siya ipapasok sa Pag-ibig for processing. And kapag na-approve na tayo sa Pag-ibig, nasa 13,000 naman yung monthly amortization natin. So, alam nyo ba, yung developer ng Talanay Homes is Rimaven Properties Incorporated. Now, this is a family business. Kung napapansin nyo, yung symbol ng Talanay is a tree. So, it is called the Balakad tree. And that tree symbolizes strength, stability, and connection with the community. By the way guys, 14 blocks na lang ang bubuksan in the next coming inventory. Yung mga units na lang na yan and malapit na tayo sa gate. Fast moving tong inventory natin dito kasi ito lang yung single attached natin na nasa 2.3 million tapos malapit sa Clark. So mabilis talaga gumalaw or mabilis maubos yung mga units and bawat open ng block nagtataas yung price niya. So if you are interested, we can schedule you for site tripping, just let me know.